Good morning. Today is day 15 of how to raise meat birds. And it's going to be a quick one because I am setting up at a farmer's market and I'm running behind. But here's the birds. Y'all alive. Everybody alive. Everybody's moving. All right, we're going to change out the water. We're going to add some feed. Today's going to be last day, a 24-hour feed. I'm going to tell you more about that tomorrow, but today is the last day of 24-hour feed. They're doing good. We definitely need to change out some of that bend because it's getting to really stink. And we're just going to go from there. So day 15 in the bag, change out the water, change out the food, change out the bend. And tomorrow is going to be a busy one. Enjoy homesteading.